Hey, it's Jon the Net Guy with another product review. Today we're looking at a product great for homeowners with large lawns and a desire to make their grass as healthy and productive as possible. The best time of year to dethatch your lawn is in the fall, though harmfully thatched lawns can benefit from removal of thatch nearly year-round. Today's product was provided by the manufacturer free of charge, though my thoughts on it are my own, and this review is not being seen by the brand before posting, nor did they have any editorial control in it. The dethatching tool comes conveniently boxed and very compact. You will be doing a lot of assembly, though they make all the necessary wrenches and tools in the kit. I prefer to use different tools on hand, though that is only to speed up the process. The instructions are fairly well described, though a little more up-close detail may be beneficial. While the instructions don't say to use the included washer and lock washer on all hardware, by my experience this is a good idea. Ultimately, the dethatcher tool is a large tined rake to pull dead grass and decaying harmful biomass from your lawn. All the product's parts are bagged nicely and labeled. Assembly should take around 45 minutes if all goes well and you follow the instructions. Pay special attention to having the direction of the tines and hardware matching the photos, or you will be reinstalling components. Start by installing the hardware for the arm that goes between your riding lawnmower to the base. It includes a simple pin mechanism, which should universally work with most riding mowers you will tow this with. After this bar is attached, you'll move on to the included wheels, which use a system of retaining bolts with smooth sliding surfaces, along with lock washers to prevent them from sliding off. Once you've attached the wheel bar and wheel assembly, you will be installing the vertical tines. They have a unique system of bumps and ridges here, which will allow the bolts you add to catch the tines and hold them in position. After installing the front tines per the instructions, head to the back row and install those. While this is probably the longest step in the installation, doing this right and aligning the tines properly this one time will lead to the longest longevity for the product. I've checked the adjustment bar here, which will bring the wheels below the height of the tines and stop the thatcher from picking up any debris. Make sure to fasten all bolts tightly, and then we'll move on to installation. Running the thatcher is pretty simple. Just make sure you adjust the thatcher body to be level with your mower while underway, and you can start removing debris from your lawn, improving the water usage and spur new growth right away. Overall, I give the product 4 out of 5 stars, with my only real complaint being the spring system for the wheel lever. I also had some trouble with the retaining strap they included, though that could be fixed with a little effort. If you're looking for an economical, do-it-yourself thatching solution with some assembly required, this unit should work well with almost any lawn and mower combination.